It's the kind of science that Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking devoted their lives to, unlocking the mysteries of our universe and our world. And it's happening every day at Jefferson Lab in Newport News.
Today, a critical milestone there, the completion of a major expansion that will propel the lab decades into the future. 13 News Now reporter Mike Gooding explains.
Well, this is a monumental day for the Jefferson Lab here in Newport News, where the scientists study the basic building blocks of our universe. Now they'll be able to learn so much more with this new $338 million expansion. That project came in on time and on budget. Technically speaking, this is what's called a 12-JeV CBAF upgrade. The continuous electronic beam accelerator facility here is the world's most advanced particles accelerator. It is used to investigate the quark structure of an atom's nucleus. Essentially, what this is all about is learning where we came from and maybe where we're going.
The sort of questions we're trying to answer are among the most basic questions in science. What is it that makes up protons and neutrons, and how do those subatomic bits work? What does the inside of a proton look like?
We will see a new era in nuclear physics, allowing researchers to see objects 1,000,000 times smaller than the atom. It will keep Jefferson Lab on the frontier in the research for nuclear physics, as it always has been, and we very much appreciate the support here and the leadership of everyone here at the lab.
This facility is 34 years old, and with this expansion, the life of the Jefferson Lab will now be extended for another generation. In Newport News, Mike Gooding, 13 News Now.